these strange noises. We gotta figure out what it is. So follow me, guys.
Oh my gosh, I wonder where the noise is coming from.
Over there.
No, I think it's coming over here.
Where?
Over there.
Over there. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Let's see. What's going on? Oh wow. Where is it?
Over there.
Over there?
Yeah. No,
Oh
I think
wow.
over here.
Oh, over here? I don't see anything there.
No.
Where?
Maybe it ran over there.
Okay, let's see.
Oh my God. Cheetah and Chase. Look out. Oh my God. Cheetah and Chase. Look out.
Did you see that well?
Yes, it was so huge. We gotta find our way back home.
Oh really? Like which way we gotta go? Which way?
This way.
That way.
Okay, do we go back down that way to go back home?
Yes.
Because it's very scary out here. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's go. That way.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Run, let's go. We gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh. We gotta see what's going on. We gotta hurry to go home.
It's back
We need
here.
to see.
Yeah, that's
We need to see what else is out here. We gotta get safe. Guys, do you think it's safe right now?
Yes.
Do you think it's safe to go back
Yes.
the opposite way?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Come on, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Hopefully it is. We gotta hurry up.
No way.
Which way we gotta go? Which way?
That way.
Okay, come on. Oh gosh, come on, let's go. Oh my gosh, guys, that was insane.
Yeah.
Did you see that dinosaur?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that thing was so huge.
Quick. Guys, we have to go home
All right,
now.
let's go. Come on, we can't stop. We have to continue to go. We have to hurry up and go. Let's go.
Right now. We have to get
Come
home.
on, let's go. Run.
Yeah, because we're
Run.
almost there.
Run. Run.
Not this house.
Oh my gosh. Finally made it home. Yeah,
Oh, we surely did.
Yeah.
Let's keep walking. Come on, let's keep
come on.
walking.
Our house is that
Let's
way,
keep walking.
where that small tree
Let's
is.
go see. Come on, let's see. Let's
Do
see.
you see that small
Let's
tree?
see. Come on.
It's right there. It's like this big. Almost home.
Oh, we are. Thank God. We can find. Is it safe? I think it should be safe, right, for us to go home. All right, come on. Let's see. It should be safe for us to go home now.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Home
Come on.
is that way.
Home sweet home. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. Come on, guys. We gotta hurry up.
Whew. That was a mission.
Oh yeah, it was.
Yeah. Now we can go back and rest now. For sure.
Yeah, we surely can because it was very tiring.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let's go.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Ooh, and is that an airplane?
Check out our new music video.
Oh yeah.
Check out our new music video called Living Brothers.
And subscribe and hit the bell.
Peace out.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.